क्या हाल चाल है जी?
गोल्ड हो गया, ईएस हो गया, सिल्वर हो गया, क्रूड ऑयल हो गया, वाइन देखिए, वाइन देखिए ना, पर इसी ट्रेंड के नाम चल रहे हैं, अपना ट्रेंड करो तो एरिया आ जाता है पहले, that's the only trade where you go against your trend. जब एरिया आ जाए ना, that's the only trade you go against your trend. एरिया आ गया, पर एरिया मेरे लिए बिटवीनर्स का जो नॉर्मल आ रहे होंगे उनको क्या वो डेंजर होती है, ठीक है ना, हमेशा याद रखो 10 ट्रेडर करोगे 8 ट्रेडर तक पहुंच जाओगे।
NASDAQ और ये दो रेस कौन से वापस है?
मुझे तो मैं भी तो 3 ईयर तक आ रहा है, राइट? मैं सोचती हूँ कि मेरा करेंगे लॉस होगा, पर ये ऐसी मेरी माइस की तरह लॉस होता है यार, लॉस हो गया बंद कर दे चार्ट की कैंडल में चार्ट की रखो, मैं तो चार्ट की करना पर क्वांटिटी वो होती है तकरीबन 5 मिनिमम, हाँ 5 मिनट टुडे में मिलता चार्ट कैसे कहता है स्टॉप लॉस मेरा यूजली होता है कि मैंने 20 फिक्स कर स्टॉप लॉस 20 फिक्स करके जेकर नुकसान होएगा ज़्यादा हो तो नुकसान होएगा, फायदा मेरे फोन में नहीं होता, पर वो चार्ट टिक मिल जाएंगे, पर जब मैं देखा मेरे गेस हो ना, हाँ जी मैं कर दूँ बस नहीं एक मिनट के जमा करेंगे ठीक है
दो रोज पहले आपकी जो जूम की थी वो कहाँ पर है?
सर जूम के अंदर है, सुपर एरियाज में जाएं, ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी, सुपर एरियाज में जाएं, वो नीचे लिखा है ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी,
उसके बाद
वह नीचे क्लिक करें ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी के अंदर, ये जो क्लिक हियर फॉर
मीटिंग, गो टू मीटिंग,
नहीं गो टू मीटिंग, ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी पे क्लिक करें और नीचे फिर एक नया पूरी वेबसाइट खुल जाएगी। तो
एक्सेस सॉफ्टवेयर है, ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी,
नहीं, इस पे क्लिक करें ना, उस लिंक पे क्लिक करें सामने जो, हाँ जी, क्लिक हियर फॉर एक्सेस सॉफ्टवेयर, नीचे आए, अब नीचे लेफ्ट पे जूम की सारी चीजें मिलेंगी,
इसी में नीचे,
हाँ जूम लेफ्ट पे जूम को देखें,
जूम सेशन जो लिखा है,
हाँ जी जूम सेशन पे जाए,
अच्छा, तो जो लेटेस्ट है आपका जो
वो देखें अक्टूबर का है,
हाँ October 1st,
हाँ जी ये पूरा 3 घंटे का जूम था।
अच्छा,
के बाद आपके को होते हैं ना, आप आफ्टर 11 o'clock ना आप पीछा करो, क्योंकि इनकी अभी ऑनलाइन जा रहे हैं, लोग वेट कर रहे हैं।
हाँ,
कौन ये
नहीं अभी मुझे मैसेजेस आ रहे
एतराज तो आप क्यों हुए यार माजिद भाई?
हैं। 1 मिनट है।
no problem.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ क्यों बिठाया, ये क्या चक्कर में?
ओके चलो ठीक
चल आएगा रख बोला
और आपको एतराज है
नहीं मैं कर देता हूँ थोड़ा सा मुझे लाइव जान लेने दें, मैं फिर अभी आता हूँ आपके पास।
कमाल करते हैं यार, लाइव हो रहा है वो और आप फिर बोल रहे हो।
बात ही नहीं करते, तो सेटअप कर रहे हैं।
हो गया चलो let's go. All right guys, can I get an audio test? If audio test if we are good. Audio is good. That's good. Thank you. Jitin bhai, let me fix your charts in 1 minute because I was told your charts have some issues. Okay. I'll fix your charts shortly. All right, good morning, everybody. Friday, October the 3rd, 9:08 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. And if you're listening me from any of our 3 physical offices, welcome. Another beautiful day here in Canada, Toronto. We're doing this live stream from our Mississauga office. My name is Rafay, and I'll be leading you guys until at least 11 or 12 o'clock today, 3 hours from 9 to 11. And then we'll get to analyze few markets. So anything I say every day is not financial advice. It's just for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. Put your stop losses on. We just do out of 8 or 9, mentors. I'm just doing my daily briefing. And we'll guide you along the way. We, of course, have Junaid Bhai doing his own briefing, myself, Majid Bhai, Happy, everybody else along the line. And let's get you got to 8.1.6. Okay. So where are we right now? First, Forex Factory. It's a little bit of a chaos because government is shut down of the U.S. and your job data, everything else was tentative, and it got moved to now when Friday, October 10th. So it says hourly non-farm changed to October 10th because of, so there's no news, but we're still going to treat it like a crazy day because lots of speeches, FOMC speeches. 10 o'clock we have ISM services along the line, and then you have so let's look at some highs and lows for of course we have newer highs. 25,200 on 197 became the highest high in record of your 25,197 became the highest high of NASDAQ. 67 and give me a second, sorry. You are 67.87. So 88, 67, 88 becomes the highest high for S&P 500. So that will give us a little bit of numbers to work with. So October 3rd. So where are we? Night high for, by the way, S1 is done right away. When the areas got posted for us, S1 is done. If you took S1, you're done. Price is sitting at pivot point, pivot, and S1 is literally done. We have a divergence on 60-minute on ES. We have a divergence on 60-minute on NASDAQ. So let's take a look at base and pressure. Base is up, pressure is down, so price should come down. It's all-time high. We're 860, 860, 860 expected high. 940 becomes our strike price. So let me write down some numbers first, then I'll give you guys my plan. So news got changed. The timing of news got changed. So last night's high is 25,197. Last night's low, 25,073. So you have a 25,073. So $124 move, nothing crazy. Where are we right now? 123. So I'm going to mark S1 as being done at the moment. So 103, S1 is done. Yes. S1 was from 110 to 90, and it bounced from 103. So in about 15 minutes, the market will officially open. Things should come down. It should give us a bit of a retrace because NASDAQ again went to another new record high. Gold, where is gold? Gold is rising again, huge rise from, touched our PP, pivot point approximately 8 o'clock, 38.77, and it went to 39.02. Our gold all-time high is 39.23. So let's wait for gold to get to our new areas and we'll work along the plan. So don't enter anything before 26 first, please. For gold, wait for that number. My Purdia capital, things are okay. Things are fine everywhere else. So, and of course, we are today streaming on quite a few platforms. So let's see. Okay. Let me turn this settings off. Settings. I'm turning off comments on tip top. SuperAreas.com. So tomorrow, if you have anybody who's interested in learning how our program works, at 1 p.m. Eastern at Trinity Drive, we have a seminar happening. So what is coming down? We have how many mid bands worked? One, two, third one, three mid bands are done. So if you sold coming down into the green box, so Fibonacci trade worked as well. So in this case, Fibonacci worked, S1 worked, and three mid bands coming down worked. So there you go, an idea for you guys on how three trades. So from what time? Give me a second. I will look at. So starting at first mid band was 7 o'clock, 7:36, or 7 o'clock. Second mid band. So first mid band 654. Second mid band, which was a gap trade, 7:36. Third mid band approximately now. So lots of things happening. So 122. So base is up, pressure is down. So yes, let me just get my charts going. Too many morning routines set up. So rhythmic is up. Okay. I'll move this along the way. So price should come to S2 should be a good support. For S2, I am taking around 30 zone. 30 because you have 30-minute boxes are there within S2. So it should stop in S2. And let me check some of these. Of course, we have S2 boxes on 60 minute as well. So fib boxes are there on 60 minutes. So mid band of 60 minutes. So you can start taking your risk anywhere from 40, 50 to 30. 50 to 30 is good. So Mehboob, no more news today because of the government shutdown. Let's see how.
Close tonight at low. There are chances, most probably, he will go and buy night session high.
Search.
He will mention it. It is very important that you know how to look for night session high and low. Here you have to break for the whole day. 67, 87, and 67, 66. So if you have to sell or buy, you should clean there. If I have to sell today, I know very strong.
So where I'm gonna sell from? 25,300. So that's my selling for NASDAQ. I will wait for 25,300. So to short 300, and I may skip S2. So 24,900, it should be a good buy. So R2 and S3. If you want to take S2 along with it, it has a good multi support. But let's take a look at the ES. ES Pro. So the pivot point was at S1, 25,100 and somewhere 113, 115. Okay. So if you took mid bands along the line, MES, MGC, and MNQ. MNQ. What locks? MES.
Six, 7, 5, 7 देखो हमारी strong support है ठीक है ये सिस्टम हमारे एरिया में चार्ट है वो देखना ठीक है ना ये हमारा जो हमारी जो previous support बनी थी ना first ये वो वाली थी ओके हाँ
MES. Sorry, guys. Setting it up my copiers properly. So MES is done. That's good.
अंदर आ गया मैं से पीटी टेस्ट किया ये जो मैं भी आपको बता रहा हूँ 67 57 ये इसके प्रीवियस था
Where would I sell ES from? 6807 R2. So R2 is good. And to buy S2, ES R2 S2, I may skip R1 and because S1 is done anyway. So ES R2 S2.
Minimum, yes, those 3 points would be.
Okay, SuperAreas.com.
Stick to 1 point. 1 point. क्या टेक्स्ट पे रहो अब देखो आपके सामने 50 सपोर्ट्स एंड रेजिस्टेंस आपको मिल रही है जो परसेंट टाइम का एक एक ओके हाँ
Yeah, I'm planning to get into somewhere around S2. I may take a couple of micros, but a good support for me is down below. Here, expected low for ES, because that's where it should come, because it's a Friday. Let's see what happens, because we're very close to opening in 5 minutes. Let's observe to see if it's a red candle and it doesn't, because yesterday price came to 24,991. So I see 60-minute mid band is inside S2. Your your Fibonacci green box is inside S2. So S2 for NASDAQ could work, but what's the gap below from S2 to S3? So 24,900 plus 25,000. 25,000. That's almost 100 points. So that I don't want to be stuck because it's opening. So I'll assess the situation 6 minutes into it when. So I, because it's $123 move and they're both synced, meaning 16 divided by 3.75, so almost $5, $4 thing. So it's okay. S2 for ES should be okay. Should be okay. But let's see. But I'm waiting for 25,300 to do anything before I get into. All right, market is pushing up.
Apologize for that. Again, good morning, everyone. And September 3rd, 2025. As Supply, we are looking at about
S2, you guys can see it on your chart too. You're looking at about 67.50. So you can start taking a risk around 50. So the risk starts from 53 to 50. So if you have to put a stop loss of 45. So that's it. So if it goes below 45, let it go. But value area S2, bottom fib boxes, 30-minute lower band at S2 has 4 things sitting there for you. Value area bottom, 30-minute lower band, fib boxes, and S1 of pivot and S2 of hours. So 5 things are sitting at S2 on ES. So it should give us something. So
be a part of it. Oh, I get it. ओपन होना चाहिए वो भी करेंगे हम ओपन मिनट है 3 मिनट Indian 80 के ऊपर होती है, एक more than 80% चांसेस होते हैं कि ये उसके ऊपर होती है, उसके जाके टच कर दे, इससे 2 पिक्चर्स नहीं गई थी एंड कल ऊपर होती है, सबसे पहले दे रहा है एक आधा पॉइंट आती है मॉडलिंग को पापा ने ट्राई किया 7 मिनट होते करेंगे मान लो कैंसिल 10 मिनट उसकी वेट करो जब ओपन हुई हां एक बार की टाइम रहती है कौन हां एक्चुअली देख राइट देखो जब तक जंप मारो
If you took a mid band from the red box or this, mid band is officially done, by the way. Okay. Second time. The pivot, it tested pivot and went back up. So gold has gone to 39.6.7.
All good, Paul. Thank you, G. Thank you so much. Jump मार दिया कोची में नहीं यार मैं बस में यार मेरे को बैठे हो पीछे भी करके पहना ठीक है ना यू आर द फेस ऑफ दिस देखो ग्रुप आ रहा है वापस सारे इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है तो वो सी लेवल से सारे ये करना होगा you get paid to do that. And also joining our online for enters on please let me know. Have my number 519-806-7668. It's not that you come from her, but you will value it.
All right. We're ready to go. Let's see. The games begin. Pulling up.
At the beginning here,
One.
सब कुछ है यार
82.
everything is there.
Still just wants to go up.
Watch videos. How to buy gold now. How to custom your payout. Everything is there. With detail. But you कितने thousand of hours साढ़े and again video बनाने. Wait to see that.
Back to 158. It tested the pivot when maybe it'll make another divergence. So You can take 240, actually, maybe the upper range of R2, but the gap between R1 and R2 is so little because the 240 to 280 is $40 move.
सब तो पहली ट्रेड साड़ी हो गई कितने पॉइंट 4 पॉइंट गुड जॉब you see
Other office is done next door, above, base is up, green to go. They bought it, got their 2 points, so they're done. I do mostly areas and pivots and value areas, so that's I'm looking at it differently. So touched 80. 87 is the night high, just remember that. This is the first pullback of ES.
people online please let me know guys
So
you guys have done all past the gari
priced.
हाँ बिल्कुल सर ये जी फ्रंट रेट दे लो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਦੇ ਲਓ ਪੀਪੀ को ड्रॉप पीपी कैसे डन ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ देखो लेकिन ये होगा 80% पानी चढ़ा पॉजिटिव जानिए छोटे भावना है बस मेरे
Did not touch mid-band so much. Yeah, above PP done. आपका तो did not touch mid-band quite. So you do have a SRES building.
how many
Trade of it.
very good very good dude. Good job. यार अपना नाम और अपना नाम mention
Bottom of the candle. Still struggling to break 80. Let's see. No trade yet. I don't have a trade yet, guys. Sorry.
That's the problem, right? And I see like more than 100 people sitting there. So you guys don't believe me or something, right? Or you know. Right, and if you're not gonna give me any feedback or something, then
Third candle rejection wants to. All right. The third candle rejection on ES worked.
figure it out that why are you losing money?
So 87 is our night high. Just remember that.
No, correctly.
So ES has gone to 82. NASDAQ is 155. So wait for ES to break 87 or maybe at least 87 because look, 60-minute has three divergence, higher highs, another. It is quite a bit of.
Market between S1 R1, don't do it. सुबह वाली ट्रेड एक कर लिया करो जैसे आपका above 50 below 50
13 points just went up.
जो भी ट्रेंड मिलता है और साथ में मार्केट स्विच कर लो ये इसमें आप चाहती गोल्ड भी करो गोल्ड में
So if it breaks 87, you will have a new record of ES.
आपको सुबह 15 मार्केट्स का इन्फॉर्मेशन ये एरिया बिजनेस है मार्केट में हमें पता भी नहीं अभी का ऐसे भी 500 है 500 डिफरेंट किस्म की मार्केट हमें नहीं पता कौन कौन सी पूरी नहीं पता अब जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स है
I missed that mid band. First pullback by 2 ticks.
एरियाज पर very strong.
NASDAQ is between R1, S1. We have news at 10 o'clock. I believe high impact news, yes. So 9:45 there is news coming, but this is medium impact. See, it says U.S. government data is impacted by shutdown. So we're almost heading into a new territory. Two more and night session high is about to test. If you took the above PP night session, you're done. Just went back up almost. So NASDAQ went as high as 165. So no movement in NASDAQ. 25,165 and opened somewhere around 20,135. Oh, news. That kind of went crazy. Isn't that amazing? See, 940, but somebody dumped a lot of contract just now, instantly. So it touched 86, came down. 10,000 contracts just got dumped. Maybe because NASDAQ fell. NASDAQ is coming to test PP. Don't take PP, please. I'm not. If you want, you can. It's up to you.
टॉप वाली ना ये नहीं कितना ये नहीं किसी एनी वे डाल सकते ये किसी लेकर 30 40 के कैंडल आगे जब बीच कह रहे हैं हम कुछ लोग की जो ब्लाइंडली खेलते हैं ना आई मीन ये वर्ड नहीं यूज करना चाहिए खेलना जो ब्लाइंडली ट्रेड करते हैं इससे पहले होगी स्नोड है ना वो
Fibonacci work too here.
ट्रेड हो गए ठीक है मतलब ये एरियाज है तो उन्होंने नहीं पता चार्ट एक्सपी हो रहा है वो स्ट्रिक्टली आर्ट को आ गया हाँ चलता है वेट कर रहे हैं स्टॉप लॉस आया अपना 80% उन्होंने ट्रेड में सही चल रही है स्टॉप के बाद पे और पे ऑफ का वो करना अरे मैं यही समझा कि ओपो ही लाई के क्या की वो कोई बात मैंने कहा कि विद स्टॉप लॉस दी अपन 90 91 को लेके नो सर उनको एग्जैक्टली उसने साढ़े 2 बिग पॉइंट वो एक साइड पर स्टॉप लॉस डालना मैं कहना स्टार्टिंग एकदम उसकी ये एरिया तो चलो एरिया के नाम ना किसी फ्रेंड पे ज़्यादा रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फ्रेंड पे एकदम हाँ चार कटरिंग कर दो है यस डाटा काउंट देखो एक चीज क्लियर हो गया मुझे हो जाओ सुपर एरिया में जाके बोलना बाय हाँ जी मतलब बाय जो पता वो नहीं एक पता PA only good not there or not. Good not PA is $3 one kilo liter, $20 down liter.
It came down to, didn't come down to PP yet.
So that he like that protein take profit. ये सुपर एरिया ये सुपर एरिया ये बोलना क्या है कि वो जाति सुपर एरिया वो ब्लैक टी है तो वो टीम में करना हाँ मैं बताओ हेल्प की बाय आप ये ऐसे नहीं ट्रैक करेंगे ये बोलना है बारह दोस्त तो ये बंद कर
30-20 mid-band worked on ES and shot back up because lots of volatility. थोड़े दिन market.
Just the password to login for यार मैं पता है वो शायद मतलब करेगा भैया ये भी कोई ना देखे नहीं मुझे सुन लो यार जब आगे तक के हो गया और जब सेक्रेट से नहीं
137. See, I don't have a trade right now. There's nothing happening.
फिर भी माइक्रो भी कर लेते हैं किसी पहले वेट करते हैं
Both prices are in R1, S1. Let me check the other markets. How is Russell and how's Dow and how is everything else? So around 11, I'll explain Purdia Capital one more time. That's the one I'm doing.
हो गए सुपर एरिया लॉगिन हो गए नहीं मैं पाला के खिंच के जरूर ना हो गया कि ऐसे ना हो जी तो आई थिंक की बात है हेलो
Maybe I'll make a divergence on 3020 and then come down. News impact of this news was, what was it? Give me a second. It came from very close, 86. So let's see, it's trying to fight this price. Just remember, this is all the time higher high ever. So prices, everybody's also scared that if it could fall from there. So
Very good, yeah. Take profit Sir, you take profit done.
congratulations, जी. That is awesome.
Certificate is come.
That is superb. Superb, जी. अब वो सिर्फ उस पे काम करना है, पीए पे, स्लो एंड स्टडी. जो ये करती रहे हैं तो यही करें. NASDAQ is stuck 152. See, there's no movement. Maybe everybody's waiting for 10 o'clock to get the news out of the way.
Every day that account. Every day. Yes.
So below ISM services PMI. What is the price? 131. So 9 more minutes and we have high impact news.
अपना एडिडास देना उनको मुझे बोलना चाहिए मेरा सेल तो बढ़ रहा है
30-20 mid band. We got up. 85 wants to go to 87 to test night high. 86 previous high. So our area is gonna begin from 90. Just remember the ES is at 90. 3020 is in a divergence. Look, there's no strength that went up on 3020 and no BBs went up. So we are in a bit of a divergence on 30-20 chart. It has a double top. Too many users trying to connect. $88. All right, we are in the new record highs. 88, 88.50 areas is beginning. Now 30-minute is in pure divergence. 87.50 to 88.50. $1 above. Let's see if it goes to 90 or it even goes to 6,800. Time will tell. See, NASDAQ is stuck. NASDAQ doesn't want to go up, but ES is climbing. It went to 88.50. Maybe it will make it to 90 and do R1. Let's see. Not NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Oh man, missed R1 from 2 points. Six minutes to go to high impact news, guys. I was hoping to get 90. I've moved it up slightly to 93, upper range of 93. So because it came so close, so from 90 the risk begins, by the way. The ES risk begins from 90 for R1, but we're coming very close to our news. Very close. Mid-band testing. This mid-band got missed by almost another tick or so. So all right, guys, 5 minutes to the news, so be very careful. This mid-band worked too, so it's testing the blue box. Four minutes to news. And it is high impact news. Just be ready. By the way, when non-farm is not allowed on many companies that are doing PA. This thing. EA, go crazy. Play whatever news you want to play. $73. See, divergence line came. See on 30-20? In advance, your eyes can pick divergence. Oh, Price has gone up. Now you will see a 30-minute divergence line when there's a on MES. Price is now we have a new high of 88. 80, yeah, we already have rode 88. So you can trade after news in 5 minutes. Within news, you can trade. Most companies will say 5 minutes is okay. Just don't be inside a trade. That's what they say in a PA. Oh, all right. News, 2 minutes, guys. ISM, very, very powerful news coming. Doesn't matter if it, what's the impact? We just know it is red. So stay away. Because you could go long, you could go short, and things could go kind of crazy. Just remember that. So, all right, 1 minute to the news. Let's see, 34 seconds. Dow is at expected low. I think there's something wrong with Dow. Let me fix Dow, but give me a second for Dow. Dow. It should be 46. So fix. Dow, if you refresh, it's fixed. Levels. All right, we're good to go for news. Pending and boom. Nothing crazy, really. Went to 73, 75, and then 76 on this. So how is the news? 50. So this is break even. They were hoping it would go to 52 was previous, 51 was forecasted. So news is bad though. Just saying news is bad. So it's up to you. Now we just sit and wait. News is bad. So anything above 50 is good. So it shot down. ES came down to 73. Still wants to now finally have a reason to come down, but who knows? Ekdom. This mid band got missed too by a tick. मंडे हॉलीडे तो नहीं सर न्यूज नहीं है हॉलीडे नहीं हाँ वहाँ लिखा आता है बैंक हॉलीडे अगर वहाँ पर कुछ हो तो nothing here divergence see doesn't wanna let's It's too choppy market, meaning it's not picking up momentum in a single direction. Goes down a little bit, then halts, goes down, goes up a little bit, then halts. So, I'm planning to buy S2 on ES, just saying, okay? Because S1 is done, so I am planning to buy S2. ES 1510 is in a divergence. So the mid band of ES is 67, 69, 67, 77. Yes, I'm planning to buy S2 on ES at the very bottom if it does drop there. At this speed, 50 points, it's 25 points away from here. So, why S2? It is the value area, it is the top of the. Don't say this mid band, I'm going to miss again. Oh, that kind of sucks again. The price came to 77. These miss today mid bands are missing by a couple of ticks. Another one got missed. So no trade is okay trade. मैं तो पानी बिल्कुल ठीक no problem punch लो कोक शोक लोगे कुछ लोगे NQ my number for NQ myself my number is 24,900 is where I'm planning to go. 24,900. It's a lower band of 60 minutes. That's where I am planning to go. Because it came down to 25,066. That's the lowest it came down to 25,066. 066 anymore. It's almost 100 points it has traveled. It wants to get inside the value area, which is 60, 70 to 50. Does it give us any mid-band after divergence? It's a red box is launching inside. No, not yet. 6. Struggling. This mid-band has not failed yet. For those that are wondering, 8.5 is, it only has gone against 7. So until 8.5, I never considered mid-band failing. Some user push it up to 8.5, 9, but
न्यू क्या आप बात करें, ट्रेंड की बात कर रही हैं कि आप लोग की बात कर रही हैं कि आप
he doesn't come in on Fridays. Good morning. Take care.
ओके ओके ये होता है डन दोनों हमेशा करके डन होते हैं ना हो गया टारगेट पूरा बस करके करेंगे बहुत ही डिस्कशन में बहुत जरूरी है अब देखो अगर आप $100 भी रोज बना रहे हो आपका 15 दिन में अकाउंट क्लियर होगा ठीक है और अगले 15 दिन में आपका ये क्लियर होगा थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन आपको
What a beautiful mid-band. If anybody took, trail, guys, just trail. Beautiful mid-band. Price came from lower low. It picked me for ES. Done. It hit my, so I moved it to break it. Whatever I showed on a Zoom, I took a mid-band. Mid-band was 77. It gave you from 77, if you enter, it gave you 4 points. 1 point is okay, 2 is okay, 3 is okay. So
ये लोग इनको माना चाहिए तो करेंगे जो रेड होटल न्यूज होती है उसमें आप ट्रेड ना करें चाहे ये हो या ये हो
73. Now it's consolidating within that price, lower low, lower highs. I still think it should come down. So night high 87, day high 88. NASDAQ is just, it touched 50, but like missed S1 by like $1 of over expected. It touched the mid band of 60 minutes, touched the green box, and you're done that trade, by the way. So if the S2 NASDAQ is done officially, because it went inside the green box, it touched the 60-minute mid band, and it came down to give you 15 points from there. So S2 NASDAQ is officially done. Now it will go and try to test this. Another mid band, let's see, it is still passing, only went up 6 against me. I mean, from the mid band, did not go. So from 77, here's the mid band.
जब डालते हैं ना सब यूजर नेम की पासवर्ड तो यूजर नेम ही मेरा बोल रहा है कि तुम वो ऑलरेडी
So price pulled back up from 50 to 73. Let's see. Six and a half. Remember, mid-band hasn't failed yet, even though because 8.5 is the rule. That's, two points a day actually passes you everything, but it's up to you. So where is Dow? Let me look at a few other things. Dow area. Dow is near R2, ES 81, NASDAQ S1, Russell R2. That's where the things are. Quite a maybe ES will go towards up or so now it's going to test PP from this side. Pivot. So first it was above PP and then now came down to 50. We're inside. Let's see if it tests PP as a resistance. 114 is pivot. NASDAQ comes down, then we got some possibility. Sorry, guys, I have nothing to say because price is not picking up a direction properly. Either go to R2. So for the whole morning session, it's just been between R1 and S1. S1 got done before open, so how's stocks coming along now? Let's look at stocks. What to do? NASDAQ wants to come down. ES wants to go up. Dow is at R2. Completely messed. No market is in sync today. NASDAQ S2, ES above S1, Russell and those crazy. So not a single market is. And gold is stuck on the same candle. No direction. Look, even ES is stuck on this one candle. All right. See, some direction came. Somebody did buy. 84 touched the red box and came down on 3020. Yes. But if it's green, buy. Not. Back to 84, and let's see if it makes a newer high one more time. This 30-minute cap. So 88.50 is the new. Does it break and goes to over? We're back in S1. Okay. 70. Come on, go. 86. May go to 93. Finish it. Break previous high. Make another record. Maybe he wants to make a 6,800. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, toward the area, 90 is our area. And lost the momentum again. Don't do that. Oh, did not break over 88. Did not go to. फिर आगे जी. So it touched S1 as a resistance, by the way. This is what happened on NASDAQ. So price was pulling up from S2. S1 acted as a resistance, and it touched S1 and came down. Now penetrate through S2 and go to expected low, please. Do so. No new record. So it is on third candle. Could be a rejection. If it's a rejection, then you're looking at 90 plus. This candle will decide direction up or down. This is a third candle to the downside. So if you see a first white dot on 1510 on ES, this is your third candle rejection trade building. And from here on, it could go maybe cause 6,800 to be the new high. We don't know what will happen. NASDAQ back in S1, below PP. Yes, this candle will decide. So, see on ES, it's second candle, but on MES, it's the third candle, by the way. Just the difference. Area is done. It means, yeah, the whole S2 is done because it's giving you a range. Some users will take both, but in my case, whenever a computer predicted a range, that it should reverse from 30 to 50. Bigger ranges, sometimes you can do both. Sometimes users would like to take a range higher and lower, but for me and our software, S1 is done, our S2 is done, ESS1 is done, ESS2 is done. Sorry, not NASDAQ. S1, S2 is done. There you go. Next candle, 30-minute is opening. You see 30-minute MES has a divergence. It truly wants to go to and make a 6,800. Let's see. Third candle. So waiting. For those who took mid bands earlier, they're done. But we are waiting for an area. It's not happening right now. All right, we have a new high, G. Officially 88.75. Another 30-minute divergence. Come on, do go to full 90, 93, so we can call R1 done. All right, ES has a newer high, 89.25. Our area was 90. Still push up, go and make 6,800 officially. No. Every time it goes up $1, then comes back. 87 was high, then touched 88 was high, then touched 89. Now officially 89, it became the highest high of Yes, of today or history, whatever you call it. What's our area? Area is from 80, 90, 100. Only 11 points to go to the 6,800. All right. ES has a bit of a momentum because NASDAQ is pulling up, so ES may go up again. Come on, go touch R1. 93. All right, we're inside the area, guys. So 90, 90, 50. Newer high of ES. Our area is officially done. Gave you a couple of points from 90 to 89, 1.2 points. So area is done for ES. Officially done. Couple of points. $91, officially the highest high. $91.25. $91 minus 20.
सर इनका एक इश्यू आ रहा है कल से
हाँ जी
बोलना उसका कि वो ये कह रहे हैं कि इनका जो नाम है ना ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट है
हाँ हाँ नहीं वो इशू
इशू
नहीं वो ऐसा मसला नहीं है उनकी वेबसाइट क्रैश हो जाती है वो करना ही नहीं दे रहा है हालांकि नाम भी नहीं होगा
नहीं करना
हाँ हाँ
इसका क्या
कुछ भी नहीं बस उनको 1-2 दिन बाद ट्राई करवा लें तो एग्जैक्ट
ठीक
We are at the upper range of ES now. We are at pivot of NASDAQ. If you took 93, you're done. Your points, by the way, 91, almost a point from there. 93 was our number that computer predicted. So 91, at least given a point so far. Still, it has energy to go up because NASDAQ is at the pivot right now. NASDAQ is testing the pivot. Let's see. We have 7 more points. Quite a few users are sitting at 90. Where are they sitting? Let me look. If you look how many people sitting at 60, like 128 people sitting there. 98 people are sitting, 96. Quite a bit of chunk is. So 113 people have, 114 people have 190 contracts at 95. 189. 9350 has become the highest of NASDAQ. Sorry, ES. While NASDAQ is trying to test pivot. Will it break pivot? Don't know. $94.
ठीक है यार
68 ठीक होना रुकना चाहिए 6800 पे अभी सिर्फ NASDAQ का पिवट टेस्ट हो जाए जरा वो NASDAQ का पिवट डिसाइड करेगा कि ES ने कहाँ जाना है ये NASDAQ अपने पिवट पे खड़ी है 95.75 because 30 because NASDAQ is really trying to get the pivot.
Meaning that let's say if you see the profit for 200 and if you did at 100, वो 100 minus हो जाएगा threshold सिर्फ PH है और उसके बाद सिर्फ no live threshold no nothing and I know you make within second you make $100 वही मैं कह रहा था बस स्लो बनाई दो that's it the funding on won't $100 but I would do it because the case to deal case हो जाएगी and I got the target हाँ वो ना मेरे ख्याल से ये एनालिसिस होना है कि पेनाल्टी 10% है ये हाँ पेनाल्टी परसेंट आता है 10%. Corporate should save a go. Why we even party, why the na party? Our main theme only their party.
So NASDAQ is stuck at pivot right now. 96. So new for ES 96. 67.96. If NASDAQ said I made a higher high, ES said I made a higher high too. So both are excited.
You have to make it up rather than so now it seems so bad on that. You can't run
So right now it's at, if you took 93, you're at a break even of 93. Let's see. I think 99 may be the number for her 6,800. Let's see. For 93 people, they got few points. I think they got almost a point out of it a couple of times. Let's see. Only thing is holding this market of ES is the PP of NASDAQ. Strong pivot. ES came from NASDAQ came from close to S2. So maybe 10:45 reversal time. Let's see, 10:45 to 11:15. There you go. NASDAQ is pulling down from PP. So we got a bit of a breathing coming out of ES as well. The only thing holding ES is your pivot of NASDAQ.
There are no charts there. Go up in mid
$11 candle will decide the future now. There you go. NASDAQ is down from pivot. Bड़ा strong pivot है जी NASDAQ का. Ten minutes to go. Next candle. You guys are witnessing history. Every single thing is newer high. At least three markets: NASDAQ, and you're all right. We are coming down from the pivot a little. So if you took pivot, you made some money. Just saying. Of NASDAQ pivot gave you 13, almost 12, 13 points. NASDAQ pivot. So you see how the correlation works of NASDAQ. NASDAQ has 100 companies, S&P 500 has 500 companies. 75 companies are together. So when ES was stuck and not going up, what was holding it? NASDAQ's pivot. So if you took NASDAQ pivot point, where it was coming from S2, you're done, your 10, 5, whatever, 10 points are done, at least from the pivot. Yeah, I was in from 110 and 115, so exit trade. Done. That trade simple. The only trade for the day was just this pivot so far. So now let's see what happens at 11. So NASDAQ pivot. So base has now turned down. There you go. Some Jagway, congratulations. You took pivot. Good. So pay very close attention to 5 or 6 values. Honestly, you've seen my Google sheet the way. Night session high, night session low, pivot. 3 most important thing for NASDAQ every day. So before I repeat myself, so for NQ, NSH, night session high, night session low, then you have pivot point, PP. That's 3 things. Of course, then within these, we have your daily areas. You have your R4 to S4. These numbers look. Where is extra support and resistance? So now we are up to 4 levels from R4 to S4. That's daily. You have night session high, night session low, pivot. These are the 3 important things. Number 4, your 30-minute upper, lower, and mid. Your 60-minute upper, lower, and mid. And then finally your 240-minute upper, lower, and mid. And if you want to again then go inside the 30 minutes, you have your green and red boxes. And you have your 60-minute green and red boxes. And then you have a 240 green and red. So if you were to break NASDAQ, and this is all I do whole day, I don't pay attention to a lot of things except night high, night low pivot. See, it's still, from pivot, it got 10 points, but there's no momentum in the market. And it was supposed to be a fast day, but first Friday of the month, but government is down, so the data is delayed. R4, S4, green boxes, these are the important thing. Now within ES, 100% everything here, but ES has one more thing, it's called the value area. So value area is yesterday's 70% volume that tries to get filled today 80% of the time. Tries to, not a. Now we have a third candle rejection coming in ES. And NASDAQ has gone back inside the value area to see if we got any stamina to break value area. Keep saying value area. Pivot. So right now, today's pivot for NASDAQ is 25,115 or so. Yeah, approximately. See, as it's pulling up from the pivot, look, automatically ES is pulling up. So where will it go? Let's see. So your areas are done. The 90, 93 zone is done. Look, it's pulling up more. Above PP is gone. But see, it's like a magnet. ES NASDAQ goes up, ES automatically goes up. NASDAQ goes down, ES automatically goes down. Sometimes, not every time. So next candle is going to open at 11 o'clock. Let's see what happens next. See, the fun thing about this industry, every single day is a new day, and we have no idea how market will react, how people will buy, sell. So we go with the trend. Green to buy, red to sell. Color change, exit. That's trend trade. And then, of course, support and resistance number. See, again, pivot is very strong on NASDAQ, not breaking. So pulls a little bit down from pivot, instantly you see. So you can have a 60-minute chart, keep watching the pivot, and watch the reaction of ES along with it. Because they're completely offset right now, meaning the price. It's not sync anymore. One is at $12 and one is at 29. So three minutes to go for the next candle, half an hour. 30-minute ES is quite messed up. Went up, went down, made a divergence, went down, went back up. So we are at 96. 96 minus. PP is strong. जी सर
एनीडेस्क दिखी आपको?
है
एनीडेस्क
एनीडेस्क नहीं चला वो
फाउंड समथिंग रॉन्ग।
अच्छा हमने वही स्टेप फॉलो किए ना
बस
नो प्रॉब्लम
एक डेटा का सिर्फ देखना देना।
हाँ दे दे एनीडेस्क 17 ठीक है
452.
So guys, it's not breaking the pivot yet, so just hang on and wait for R2. R2 is then the historic high once again. We are all-time high sitting in the history of ES, but let's see. अच्छा जी सर हमारा इंस्ट्रक्शंस क्या कहती है कि वो प्लेबैक होता ही नहीं है
कुछ जा ही नहीं रहा है।
अच्छा
वो मुझे वो फाइल नहीं बता।
ओके प्ले हिस्टोरिकल
September 25. Yes.
सितंबर
जी हाँ।
डेटा तो आ रहा है ना
ओके
मैं सिर्फ उस तरह देख रहा हूँ डेटा तो आ रहा है If I
सिलेक्ट नहीं होगा अभी आपको।
okay see okay ये तो 1 आवर का है ना कैन आई डू हमने 16 सितंबर का किया ना
आपने 16 का किया था?
हाँ
ओके
तो लेट्स सी फिर
ओनली वन डे
अभी मैंने सिर्फ एक कुछ प्लेबैक हो जाए ना हमारा कुछ हो जाए
आइडिया
तो आइडिया हो जाए कि चल रहा है तो हमने 16 सितंबर 2025 ओके तो एक
डिफिकल्ट कर दिया इन्होंने ना।
पैसे मांगते हैं बस और
लेकिन अगर पैसे मांग के जो पहले का ही सेटअप था
हाँ
वो इजी हो जाता राइट।
आई नो बट मैं बड़ी फाइट होती है मेरी इनके साथ एंड दे सेड ओ वी डोंट लाइक सो तो मुझे सिर्फ एक चार्ट चाहिए मैं अभी के लिए बंद करूं
जी जी
सिर्फ ये चाहिए अब देखें ना जनरली इट शुड लेट मी प्ले एक सेकंड में डिस्कनेक्ट करता हूँ
नहीं चाहिए टैब
ओह सॉरी इतना आसान होता था आप बस जाके प्ले कर लो
मतलब होना चाहिए था आसान सर।
ये सितंबर प्लेबैक मार्केट रिप्ले ये सितंबर ठीक है ये समवर्ट सही डेटा आई डोंट नो ये नहीं ये 66 ओके मैं ना उस इंस्ट्रक्शन को पढ़ता हूँ एक सेकंड पोर्टल निंजा ट्रेडर ES प्लेबैक ये वेबसाइट है सो इट सेज कि मैंने असल में बाय इसलिए किया था क्योंकि मैंने पहले इनका सैंपल डेटा चलाया था
अच्छा वो इजीली
वो चला गया था और मैंने बकायदा उस जगह चला गया था सो आई थिंक वी आर मिसिंग अ स्टेप ओके डेटा इंपोर्ट हो गया सब कुछ हो गया फाइल इंपोर्ट हो गई वी आर सेव
ये भी हो गया
post import messages it says
यहाँ पर है।
close to view your data new chart and for example FGBL contract this September property change so let's do it how they're saying new chart Let's do yeah, यहाँ क्या कहता है? Instrument text says you must have important close to the choose a contract close to the today's date. For example, 9/20. Okay, 30 minutes. Today's date here, December.
सितंबर।
लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ कि वो कह रहे हैं अगर today's dates के बाद playback करना है, इधर क्या है? ये आज का है ना?
जी।
Come on, playback. As you are done your trade, please. If you're from R1, get out. Look at it fell from PP. So okay, that will change. No, 30 days to my.
Sorry, can I call it today? Look like everyone. Monday.
Playback. Historical. थोड़ा और पीछे जाते हैं मार्च
लेकिन जो वो डाउनलोड नहीं हुआ ना मार्च।
अच्छा आपने कौन सी
सितंबर किया?
सिर्फ पूरा सितंबर कर दिया ठीक है सितंबर लास्ट अब टेक्निकली मेरा ये सितंबर कनेक्ट हो जाना चाहिए व्हिच इज गुड नाउ आई सी अ ग्रीन बटन ये सितंबर सही आ रहा है
Okay.
डेटा आना शुरू हो गया ठीक है
तो बस मैं एक बार मुझे बताना।
हाँ तो मैंने क्या किया कि अब अभी प्लेबैक हो रहा है ठीक है ये गया इधर डिस्कनेक्ट सो वी गो प्लेबैक देन वी पिक हिस्टोरिकल
जो हमने डाउनलोड किया
जो वाला एग्जैक्टली तो आपके केस में आपने सितंबर का डेटा किया सितंबर 25 किधर गया ये मैंने इसी पे क्लिक किया और कंटिन्यू दबाया
अच्छा डाउनलोड नहीं करना
नहीं क्योंकि डाउनलोड ये हाँ एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि वो ये डाउनलोड शुरू कर देता है मेरा ख्याल है मेरा ख्याल है ये टैब इसके साथ है डाउनलोड इसके साथ और ये जो लोडेड है ये कंटिन्यू में जाता है तो ठीक है ये गए नीचे अब वो ग्रीन प्ले हो जाता है तो लेट्स से वी प्ले
तो यहाँ पे डेट चेंज नहीं करना है from 16 because it's September, right?
Yeah.
So September 1st to
आप कर सकते हैं मैं इसको पीछे ला सकता हूँ लेकिन वो डेटा चल रहा है 66 और 8 आ गया आपके चार्ट्स भी आ गए
यहाँ पे start date
okay sorry
1st September
let's suppose September 1st
22 let's say it's fine
yes वो देखें 64
I got it done
good $1,000 नहीं क्योंकि this will give us it opens up
and ये सबके लिए है ना सर राफी भाई
नहीं आपके लिए
अच्छा ओके
क्योंकि 1000 कंपनी ने आपके लिए सारों के लिए no what I mean is हमने बैक टेस्ट करना है ना अब हमारे पास ईएस जब से खुली है डेटा है right so
thank you
there you go no problem ji guys if you took mid band coming down from an area you still made your money congratulations area is done mid band is done
मैं मंडे आ जाऊंगा
नहीं मैं शुरू बता देता हूँ सर अभी बस रैप अप कर लूँ स्ट्रीम पर्डिया 5 मिनट का काम है अकाउंट है $636 का ठीक है मैं एक सेकंड इसको सिर्फ बंद कर दूं ताकि बुलॉक्स के ईमेल alright so where are we in terms of any trade no trades here good so green okay जी आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ so mid band worked area worked from 93 to it worked so एक सेकंड
मैं एक्चुअली करता मैं आज जंप पे
Okay, sir. So let me give you breakdown on Purdia Capital. That was the discussion. This is oh, don't go anywhere on me. So another now cool thing is just watch NASDAQ and put a correlation on Purdia Capital. Account size is 100,000. 100,000. And your drawdown maximum ability lose is 3,000. Right, that's all. So how much is an account? $636 will give you $3,000 US. Basically, that's how the account is going to open. It's instant credit card. You have few conditions. So let's say you buy it October 3rd, 2025. They have a new rule. Finish it in 90 days. Don't go more than 90 days.
$3,000.
$3,000 बनाना है 3 महीने में. ठीक है. देखिए आप if you have $3,000, you have $3,000. You go to the bank, you will get only 3,000. So dollar to dollar. Here, you're almost at 24%. I mean, the 21% at approximately. You spend so if you lose $3,000, you're only losing 636. But in a real account, you lose $3,000, you lose $3,000. So few rules. This account balance before you pass should go into 103,000, and this cannot go to zero. So rule number 1, 90 days.
Maximum, minimum
Minimum 5.
5 days.
So sorry, I'm wrong here. Minimum 10 days.
Minimum 10 days.
Why? I have to write 5 days must be $200 or plus. Out of these 90 days, they want you to make at least 5 days. So can $200 plus at least, right? Number 4, make 3K. Number 5, max loss 3,000. हाँ जी ले ले कॉल
India.
One second.
नहीं बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैं बिल्कुल रास्ते में हूँ.
Hello. Congratulations. Everything.
Hey boss, how are you? Yes,
Everything good?
new because they hired 8 mentors, and so my job is to kind of give it a bit of a supervision, right? So, how are you, man?
Rafay,
No, touch wood. You made money.
who can
Congratulations.
do that?
Huh? No, it's okay.
Just right now for next week.
It's okay. No problem. It's okay. No worries. You know, our method is different, right? So let me explain in Purdia, then I'll explain you FTMO. This is all going live anyway, so they can't see you, but they can hear you. Just like.
This is from today till
No,
next
no,
week.
it's okay. No problem. It's okay. No problem.
I'm going to send a picture. You keep it.
Okay, we'll
You are-
test it. We'll test
You are
it.
going to say,
It's okay. It's okay. You know, I'm the take profit $200 to $300 guy, right? So only FTMO we can hold big, right? So you have to understand it's a different account
Yes.
to do what we want to do.
Yes.
Okay. So number one in Purdia Capital, 636. You've heard this one before, right? So 90 days to complete, minimum 10 days to finish the job, maximum 90 days. 5 days need to have $200 plus. Make 3,000. Don't lose 3,000. Close your trade at 5 o'clock. So this you can't hold an overnight press. So 4:59 p.m. Okay. The important part is it's end of day, meaning it's not like bull knocks. You saw 100, you close at 0, you got 0. That's it. It's not like they will deduct anything. So that's it. As good as a live account. क्योंकि उसमें ये मसला नहीं है कि 200 देखे थे close at 100 they deduct. No. So here's this. Today you make $100. Yes, they give you nothing in your threshold. So it's $100 what goes towards. So this is your target that you will go towards, and this is your max loss you can have. That's the whole idea, right? So बस यही है.
तो वो
1,03,000 बनाना है.
1,03,000 बनने के बाद में उसके ऊपर जितने ही बनेंगे फिर
नहीं, आपके कुछ नहीं है. अब वो होगा ये कि जब ये when you finish this, he's gonna say start speaking English. When you finish this target, they will give you an option. They will say, do you want to withdraw this 3,000? Would you like to take it? Because this is an instant funded. The moment you reach your target, you're done, right? So one option is you say, all right, I'm happy. There's no exam here. There's no evaluation. You're spending a lot of money. And this is as close to a good money, which is I'm going to explain you for a different firm. Because today's world, why would you want to put in your own money when for a fraction of a cost you can do it? Evaluations you do for $16 and then $148 for PA, around $165 will give you $3,000. That's the bull knocks way. If you're looking at take profit, $90 will give you 2,000. So, but here $636 will give you 3,000. But
no EA.
no EA. You just kind of go straight into this thing. So if you lost $300, yeah, of course you lost 300. So this doesn't change anything. Now these are 2 trading days. Trading day 1, trading to 2, you count it. But what is you still have to make 5 days. Now I post my results daily on Telegram and I show them how to do them. And I've shown you in the Zoom thing, I do micros. 1 micro, 2 micro, maybe maximum 5 micros. Now, a lot of people say, how can you make $200 in a micro, right? So in my Zoom class, I said, July, August, September. July, out of 20 trading days, 5 trading days, price hit expected high and low. August, almost 8 days, price hit expected high and low. And September, out of 20, 10 days, it hit high and low. So you will have plenty of opportunity to go in with 5 micros and then make extra points. Expected high and low. You can do micros. Otherwise, just this is your target. This is Purdia Capital. So what is important this? They will say $3,000, take it. Our account gets closed. You spent 636, so 700 basically. They will give you 3,000 minus 90% because it's a 90% split, 10%. So $300 they will cut. You'll get 2,700. How much did you invest in? 700. So you're netting $2,000 US. This is if you want to end a relationship with them. They also offer you, yeah, they close the account. And if you are doing this over and over and over, they don't like you. They say you go in with 700, the guy takes out. My recommendation to you is this, leave the account there. And so you make the 3,000 as a base account and anything above, just take a daily payout. You make 500, 200, 100, 60, 50, 90, 10% split. It's best to get, maybe if you made $100, sham ko nikal le. 3,000 wahi pada raho. If you said, no, I want to take my investment out, all right, take out $700, leave $2,300 there, and then take a daily payout. So this is, if you're looking for one stage company, Purdia Capital now allows you to do 3 accounts. So
It's got an EOD.
end of day. So this is the best thing, but you're paying the price, right? You're paying the price for end of day. So EA here, PA here, but both have live trailing threshold. You saw 100, you close at 50, they deduct that, right? So that's a different thing. So this is Purdia Capital.
Just open my borrow by this.
Okay. So now आपका तो evaluation round 10 में round 1 में चल रहा है. तो
लिंक कर रहा है.
तो आप जाए ना सुपर. हाँ वही कर रहा हूँ, उन्होंने ही करना है सर, मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं करना. वो मैं तो आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ चलता कैसे. अभी चैट करें 5 मिनट में फिक्स कर दें.
उसी का गाइडेंस के लिए.
और नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. आपने करना क्या, 50,000 का अकाउंट में 53 करना है और 2500 नीचे नहीं करना. एक दिन में भी कर सकते हैं, वो उनको कोई परवाह नहीं है. रिन्यूअल भी 16 का है.
7 contracts, which means 7 lots.
या जाए या 7 इधर हो जाएंगे या अकाउंट चला जाएगा. जी 7 लॉट का मतलब है $350 पर.
Like you say, 10 transactions in a month with the upper, higher.
हाँ अपर 2 ले लें, 3 ले लें, कोई इतनी बड़ी बात.
इसमें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कितना अलाउ करते हैं?
ये अलाउ करते हैं आई थिंक 7. ये भी 7 ही है. 7 है या 10 है आई थिंक, समथिंग आई गोटा चेक. सो बट यार मैं माइक्रो वाला हूँ, मुझे कहाँ इतने चाहिए, बिकॉज आई एम ट्रीटिंग दिस मनी लाइक ए रियल मनी, राइट? जी.
So, but you could also have multiple accounts with Purdia.
या सर 15 कंपनियां, हम टॉप 3 कहते हैं. एक यहाँ नहीं 3. Purdia allows you 3. So this is what my Zoom class said. I took $636, multiplied this. My investment is $1,900. Okay. How much capital I got? 3,000 times 3, $9,000, right? Well, the moment I get to $9,000, I can withdraw $9,000. Got it? How much I invested? $1,900. I can get like 2 to 7. उनको 10% भी दे दिया.
Once you reach 9, you say normally keep 3,000 as the.
No. What I mean, this is on individual account. It's not a 9 combined. So one account has 3,000, second account has a 3,000. So I'm up $1,900 out of the $3,000 target. Today is day number 8, I think, and I'm up 100, 200, 100, 200 micros, and I'm up $1,900 in 10 days. I think 8th day today. So one day was a good day, then I went in aggressive, and so the moment you get to 3,000, slowly micro rush क्या है? कोई यार 2 माइक्रो ले लो, अच्छा कोई डिसीजन आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा. अभी देखें लाइव ट्रेड हो रहा था, जिसने 93 लिया वो भी पैसे कमा गया. So 93, what's the reason for not to price? Because it was stuck at pivot on NQ and it was helping us. Anyway, so yeah.
ठीक है, कर लेते हैं.
जब भी लें तो इसको स्टार्ट करें. एंड ऑफ डे है, भूल जाएं कि ये नहीं है कि मैंने इसको. So if you make $200, that will be counted as one day. So this is what I did. I first got, मैथ का एग्जाम होता है, पहले मुश्किल सवाल कर लें, देख फिर आराम से करेंगे ना. मुश्किल ये है कि जिस दिन 200 बन गया ट्रेडिंग छोड़ दें. उसको क्यों खराब करना है? 200 बन गया, मेरा डे काउंट हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ जी. नेक्स्ट डे 200 बन गया, छोड़ दें. 5 दिन तो ये खत्म करें ना, 200 वाले. ये नहीं है कि 200 बनाए, मैं कह रहा हूँ जहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी लगी 200 बन गया है, उसको 500 के चक्कर में कोई फायदा नहीं. फिर वापस आ जाए, फिर 200, फिर 200, 5 दिन करके. There you go. So हाँ जी,
इसका करवा ये ले लेता हूँ.
हाँ जी. Any does thing. आपने चैट शुरू की. Daniel, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
No, there's no rush.
No problem. No, I have a rush. I want to leave at 12.
Do I need to have a account open or
No.
you're not?
I'll explain you first. And I'll explain you guys how to do. Okay. So let me give you guys दें सर एनी डेस्क नहीं आपको नहीं चाहिए आप तो सुपर एरिया से चैट करें हाँ इनका लें हाँ जी
1464
जी जी
333 171
एक्सेप्ट करें जी So went above PP, made it S1 as a base. So 67.98.96 is the new high. 67.96.
Yeah, correct.
Morning, Sean. This is
One more time, mid-band hasn't failed. Higher high price hasn't gone to 8.5. So you're still in a trade.
next week.
मुझे उतरना नजर नहीं आ रहा आपका एनी डेस्क बैठे 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 मैं थोड़ा सा इसको ये कर लूँ साइन अप सामने एनी डेस्क तो उनके लिए ना जो ये वाला ईमेल ठीक है जी कोई पासवर्ड बना ले ठीक है जी साइन अप वो एग्री कर ले
ये क्या हो गया पासवर्ड तो बड़ा डाला था
चलें देख लेते हैं वो सेव हो जाएगा इंटरनेट बेचारा मोटा है ओके दिस हैपेंस घूम ही रहा है Okay, network here unable to connect to server. अब कौन से नेटवर्क्स हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं
मैं हॉटस्पॉट
थोड़ा सा ये वाला करते हैं
Can we go make us some coffee?
If you like, I'll be done in 5 minutes for you.
I'm not rushed. Oh.
जरा इंटरनेट जो है ना फिर कनेक्ट हो गया इसके साथ डिस्कनेक्ट connected. Why is it? There you go. We got something. ये कॉपी कर लेते हैं
Yeah, the lady is on the run.
That's we are on a sale पहले डाल दें इससे पहले.
अच्छा और डिस्काउंट मिलेगा.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
जी 3 पोस्टल कोड 3G1 M13G.
तो ये आप देख लें कि यूएस देने के एक्सचेंज रेट इनका लेंगे बैंक का लेंगे दोनों फर्क है. तो बस कार्ड भर दें.
कार्ड भी कर
हाँ ये इंफॉर्मेशन
ट्रेडोवेट पे यूज कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल जी. ट्रेडोवेट पे जस्ट 100% होता है ट्रेडोवेट पे. ओके
चार्जर.
So next I will explain you guys how to trade on. ये खुला है अभिषेक, doesn't matter. जी सर पावर. हाँ ये इसमें दीवार के पीछे देखे मिलेगा अगर आपको कुछ मिल जाए.
मेरा निकाल के बदल के रख दे.
कैंसिल ये लें जी कैंसिल थोड़ा सा. Where does it want to go? 96 तक तो ले गए और कहाँ जाना है ना.
कैश ऐप पे या बैंक.
नहीं नीचे बैंक
को सिलेक्ट करो.
नीचे कार्ड नहीं और कुछ में ना करें.
ये नहीं करना.
सिर्फ ये अपना कार्ड का नंबर डाल दें जो कार्ड के पीछे होता है ना. ठीक है आ जाए.
ये हो गया.
ये तो बाकी ठीक है कर दें. You don't need to all done. हो गया पे सर. अभी आपका डन हो गया. क्विकली कर देता हूँ. अब आपको मिलेगा एक यूजर नेम पासवर्ड प्लेटफॉर्म लॉगिन सेटिंग्स. ये यूजर नेम पर्डिया का है. तो क्योंकि ट्रेडोवेट तो इसको कोई रश नहीं. आराम से प्यार से लेके. इसमें ये नहीं है कि आपने जी कुछ आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी अच्छी मिलती है आप ट्रेड लें. एक लें दिन के 2 लें 5 लें. माइक्रो से शुरू करें कि तो इसको ट्रूली करें कि जिस तरह आप बैंक गए हैं आज और आपने $3000 का अपना अकाउंट खोला है. क्योंकि इसके जो पैसे बन रहे हैं आप ही के हैं. वो सिर्फ ये कहते हैं कि यार 3000 तक बना लो. जो हमने आपको उधार दिया है वो वापस कर दो और फिर आप ही के हो जाते हैं. तो इसको मैं बुक मार्क यहाँ कर देता हूँ ट्रेडोवेट को.
यूजर नेम पासवर्ड अगर दे
अब उनकी वेबसाइट पे लिखा होता है. उनकी मैं आपको ना पूरा उसका बैलेंस के आपको लाइव बताता रहता है कि आपका थ्रेशोल्ड कितना है अंडर अकाउंट्स. तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 इम्पोर्टेंट वैल्यू होती हैं. ये है कैश अमाउंट. ये है डेली लिक्विड डेली PNL आज का एंड सेफ. ये देखें ये है $1,00,000
जी.
इसको करना है 1,03,000 और ये आपका ड्रा डाउन है. तो ये इसको बुक मार्क कर देता हूँ ट्रेडोवेट न्यूज़ के फॉर. आपका यूज़र नेम पासवर्ड ये है. मैं अभी पहले 1-2 चीज़ें और सेट कर दूँ. नेटवर्क सेटिंग वी नीड टू ऐड अप्लाई फॉर मार्केट डेटा। अब हर मंथ में आपने एक चीज जरूर करनी है प्लीज, वो ये है कि पर्डिया की वेबसाइट पे जाके ये लिखा है सेटिंग्स, फर्स्ट तारीख को आपने मार्केट डेटा को फिर दोबारा एक्टिव, वरना वो डेटा डिले आएगा। ये पर्डिया वाले कहते हैं कि मैनुअली जाके करें, ठीक है।
ये 1 महीने के लिए एक्टिव है,
1 महीने के लिए एक्टिव है, फ्री है, कोई कॉस्ट नहीं है मंथली। लेकिन अगर ना चले तो सिर्फ डैशबोर्ड पे जाए, नवंबर 1 डैशबोर्ड सेटिंग्स मार्केट डेटा, तो मैं इधर ही होऊंगा, इसमें क्या है। तो there you go, दिस इज डन डैशबोर्ड। अब ये आपके पास अकाउंट शुरू हो गया 1 लाख का, ठीक है। ये आपको सारी रिपोर्ट देता है कि आपका टारगेट कहाँ पहुंचा, आपके डेज कितने हो गए। अच्छा, मजे की बात है, संडे को आप ट्रेड करेंगे ना, ये मैंने एक ट्रिक रखी हुई है, $1 का भी ट्रेड कर दें संडे को, वो काउंट हो जाता है एक दिन। हाँ, और फिर मंडे को, क्योंकि बाकी कंपनियां नहीं करती, तो अगर आपने 2-4 दिन फ्री के निकालने हैं ना आउट ऑफ 10 में से, तो एक ट्रेड डालें, क्योंकि वैसे संडे मंडे काउंट होता है। लेकिन एक और बात है कि अगर संडे को 200 बन गए तो मंडे को भी 200 बन सकते हैं, तो वो अलग अलग दिन काउंट करते हैं। ये पर्डिया वाले हैं। तो बाकी क्या करते हैं, संडे को मंडे में डाल देते हैं ना, क्योंकि वो हाँ, तो ये है सर आप। अब मैं इसको कनेक्ट करता हूँ निंजा के,
कंट्रोल सेंटर में आ गया,
कंट्रोल सेंटर में आ गया, ये आ गया आपका, ये देखे ना। अब मैं आपका निंजा ओपन करें तो आपको इधर निंजा, और ये आपका पर्डिया का पासवर्ड है, जो उसकी वेबसाइट पे लॉगिन करना है ना।
हाँ वही।
हाँ, मैं इसको ना लॉग आउट करता हूँ, ये एक्चुअली सेव है, लेकिन
ये पूछते बाद
हाँ, अगर भूल गए तो साइन आउट, ये आपका यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड। दिस इज, अब आप निंजा खोल लें ताकि मैं जो है ना ये वाला यूजर नेम पासवर्ड, मैं प्लेटफॉर्म लॉगिन का ये भी कॉपी कर देते हैं। तो ऊपर वाला है पर्डिया की वेबसाइट वाला, नीचे वाला है ट्रेडोवेट के अंदर लगाना है। फाइल सेव पर्डिया लिख देता हूँ, हाथ सेव है। अब आप सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट्स में डाल दे। अब आप निंजा खोलें तो मैं इसको क्रैक कर देता हूँ। ऑल डन। All right, Daniel. So as we grow the ladder of trading, there's better ways to trade and cheaper ways to trade. So again, you guys are the lucky batch because funded did not exist.
You are a sharper now. I can see that.
I hope you are too.
Thank you.
Because sometimes I get scared the way you trade.
Let me tell you my weak point.
Okay, what's your weak point?
Regarding for EA, you know that. For
You
me,
can do it in 30 minutes. What happens in PA?
I do not control.
But it's the same thing.
I know, but what happened? Even the for
Take profit.
take profit. I'm waiting till 5 days. It's like a stress.
Yes. So
I finish it every day. I finish it 1,400 something,
Mhm.
almost $497.
Yes.
Then for 3 days I'm waiting. I'm make a couple of dollars.
Yes. Okay.
That's is bothering me.
Okay.
When it comes to the PA, my problem, I tell you honest. Before it was Apex.
Yes.
Now I find it's not just Apex.
Okay.
It was me too.
Of course.
Because I'm working like a revenge.
Yes. So how do we fix the revenge?
Okay. This is how I do that. For example, for example, first of all, I don't put the stop loss.
Okay. So you know stop losses.
Yes.
Scary. Okay.
Maybe 5% I put the stop loss.
And you're going full lots.
No. I'm not. That's
Now at least you fix the micros.
Yes, I do like this. I go for 5 micro. Then I see, for example, $80. Instead of I come out, I immediately make an average.
Oh.
10 more. It's 15 now.
Wow.
Again goes to $300.
Negative?
Yeah. Now I make an average
5 more.
5 times more. For example, I had a 15. Now I almost go to the
25.
25, 30. No, I added another 20.
So doubled it. That, but average you have to do far, like
Yes,
50 points minimum.
that's it. That's the issue. That's the main issue. If I do 50, the point,
Yes.
I never lose.
Yes, correct.
Okay, but immediately after, for example, few minutes, I make it average.
Because you are excited
Yes,
inside the
exactly.
thing. Yeah.
I don't know how to control that passion.
You should. I have no
I
idea.
needed someone to stand over there.
Come here, sit down with Junaid. I see. The problem is, you know how to trade though,
100%.
but you are just over trading.
Do you know how many friends
Don't.
pass
Yeah,
the
I know.
PA for them?
Yes.
EA. They give the account. I pass it like
I know, but don't.
no charge. Just for as a friend.
I know, but you need to get paid.
Yeah, I get paid when I was a very disciplined the first day.
Discipline, right?
You remember?
Yes.
After that, not even $1.
No, but why though?
That's the one. No.
You have to fix it, right?
Yeah.
How?
I'm going to tell you now. I know what happened to gold. I'm so excited. I couldn't sleep for 4 days.
Okay.
When I find it,
You cracked the code.
yeah, I was no. Is he God show me?
God, but then ask God for some discipline too.
I cried to him. I know what happened. Gold next 2 days.
Yeah.
100%.
Good,
I
good.
know what is the direction. No one in the planet Earth knows that.
Yes, yes.
Right now,
We're testing.
yeah, it's. Let me send it to you for till next week.
No, it's fine. But here's my thing. Just be disciplined.
The only things.
So pray to your God.
Amen. Amen.
If He has shown you the signs of gold,
Yes.
you sign in the dream.
No, it's when I sit down, I close my eyes.
You close your eyes and
I see.
gold prices.
Listen.
Oh man,
The
this is too good to be
prices
true. I gotta listen.
It comes to here.
Straight to your
Yeah,
head.
to
Sorry, guys, we're not joking. Don't make fun of us. This is serious talk,
No, I'm
right?
fine. I'm doing it.
So the gold predictions are coming to you directly from
From heaven.
heaven.
Yeah.
Can you please come here daily?
No, I don't want to sit in front of the camera. But this is a prediction.
No, it's okay. I'm not. Daniel, I joke around with you. Sorry to say, even for religion,
Listen, this is a prediction for till next week.
I know. If you're getting from heaven, man, your heaven must be closer. Mine is far.
The gold
I
is
have to die to go there.
The gold is belong to our heavenly Father.
Yeah, it's
That's why
God's currency.
He shows.
I know.
Look at the direction.
I know. What I'm saying is, if you sign a dream, but how are you going to fix your discipline, though?
I'm going to do that, but don't share with anyone.
No, I'm not. I'm not sharing. Don't worry. It's okay. Most of my people, they get instruction not from heaven, from my charts.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
So I'm not too worried about any of this. All I care about is,
Look at what he said.
yes,
He said, "What are you thinking?"
yes. God said?
No. This is one of my.
Okay.
He said, "What are you thinking?"
I think you're just studying market too much, my opinion.
Maybe.
It's gone into your subconscious.
Yeah, it's there.
हो गया जी, all done. All done. So, Mr. Daniel,
Yes.
I pray for you.
Thank you.
That's all I can say. Because you scared the Jesus out of me and says Iran is going to fight.
Iran is going to attack with atomic
It's been a
bombs.
year. I'm not laughing, but it's been a year. Nothing has happened. Can you delay it for 80 more years?
No. 80,
Yeah.
not even 8 years.
Where is your deadline for the war?
But listen, there is no deadline for him because the time is not it's on our hand, but the days is in our hands.
Okay.
I know when the end is coming.
When?
Okay. You see all this fight?
Yes.
It's a sign.
Correct.
Earthquake, sickness and disease is just a sign.
Correct.
When we preach the gospel.
But is there a timeline in terms of 2026, 28, 29?
No, nobody can say that. But it's very soon. Very soon, all the bank is going to shut down.
So what
Very
will
soon.
happen to
It's
humans?
going to be watch. It's going to be one government, one currency, one currency.
Okay.
You remember pandemic? As soon as they said nobody can come out, in Pakistan they beat the people.
Yes.
That was a one government.
Correct.
One order.
Yes.
Now It's going to be one.
I have 5 AstraZeneca inside me. My 5 chips fighting.
Right, look at, and it's going to be a one, the country. All
Okay.
board is going to be one.
Okay. So it's called
It's going to be
one government,
one
one currency, one government.
And God says that day comes, do not even go to your home to grab your clothes. Just run. And every single person they are going to have a chip.
We're going to test your gold heavenly signals for next 1 month.
Yes.
Okay.
I give it to you.
No, I don't. Just whenever you say buy, I buy.
Yeah, yeah.
Whenever you
Buy
say, okay, I should buy now.
Now buy 100%.
It is at the all-time high.
Buy. Close your eyes and buy for next week.
Okay, I can't do that because we're gonna do FTMO. I'll buy a test account and
Yes.
we'll
Yeah,
test
yeah. But it's not like this. It's not like you can take it, for example,
in a day too.
in a day, but count as a week.
Okay.
In a week, it's high.
So God gave you signal for 1 week or 1 month or 1 year.
week.
Come on, we're like
Honestly.
so. That's it.
Solid position trade.
I'm telling you. Just
Renewed every week. Renewed
Sorry,
every
man.
week for a while.
चलो. हाँ जी. Okay, जी.
हो गया
Okay,
सर
ठीक है.
मैं जा रहा हूँ
All right. So we'll leave the religion out of this and work.
There's no religion. None of the religions are of God.
No,
Include
but you're
Christianity.
saying God's currency.
It's a law.
Okay.
It's not religion. It's
No
law.
problem. Let me explain you a company called FTMO.
FTMO.
Okay. Very big company. They've been around forever. Forever.
Then what was it? You remember Europe was that?
Yeah, yeah.
They didn't pay you?
Yeah, no, FTT. That was fast track trading.
Yes.
This
FTMO.
one, FTMO,
Okay.
they deal with something called CFDs.
Okay.
It's not futures. Today, here with Apex, take profit, we take futures.
Yes.
They even do stocks and Bitcoin and currency, but everything they do except futures. They don't do futures.
Okay. Perfect.
So, how much is their account? $450.
Okay.
Okay. You will get $100,000.
Oh, they give it to you.
Yeah, account just like any other account,
Okay.
right?
Perfect. Thank you.
They will give you $5,000 of drawdown per day. Per day. Full. Okay. What is your goal? Turn this 100,000 into 110,000.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, they give you total 10,000 down, but max, it's called a,
Daily 5,000.
so maximum loss limit, daily loss limit. They call it this way.
Okay.
Okay. So you spend $450.
Mhm.
You have a target. Okay, number one. So make 10K.
Okay.
So make 10,000.
Don't lose 10. Don't lose.
Okay, maximum daily loss is 5,000 and total loss,
Don't lose 10,000.
maximum loss limit 10,000. So very straightforward.
Yeah, that's
Okay, number 4. Minimum 4 days. You can't do this before 4. You can do in 1 day 10,000,
You can.
but $1. So
okay.
4
I
days
got it. For 4 days, you have to finish that.
or more forever. Forever.
For example, you make it $9,000, then the rest make it.
Yeah, I mean,
on-
I'm going to put infinity. There's no monthly fee.
Okay.
Nothing like this.
How about the threshold?
5,000. That's the
No, if you have it.
no life threshold. It's end of day.
Perfect.
So it's end of day. So number 5, end of day.
No. One question.
Yes.
If you, for example, make it $4,000,
Yes.
for example, you have a $9,000 to lose on one.
Correct. And more. And they have even better. It's a static account, meaning the money that you make, it gets added to your drawdowns. So today you made $2,000,
Oh,
right? Not like any other company.
Tomorrow it's starting.
No. So you can lose $17,000. 5. Yes, any money you're adding, it's like a live account. Okay. So this is how it works. So today you made $2,000. Today you can lose $7,000, but tomorrow you can lose 5. But total you can lose 17.
12.
No, 10 plus 2, 12. Correct. So
I'm faster than that.
perfect. So we're with me. So Here's the best part. You can hold the trade after 5 o'clock forever. 1 day, 2 days. So when God comes to you and says, this is next week's trade,
Yeah.
and
Buyer and leave it.
yeah, you can go in. I doubt it you will do it, but it's okay. So you can hold your trade for. That's what you're saying. To us, my brain doesn't understand what you're saying. Anyhow. So 7 is you can hold the trade. There is another beautiful thing they offer you. You are down. Let's say you sell gold and God tells you sell, right? And gold is 3,900 and you decided to sell, but today something is happening, but it's not going the way you want. And you're down minus $500. You can open a long position from there, meaning that you can lock the trade. It's called hedge, meaning you don't have to close this position. You know how you can open it beside it, another position, 10 positions you can open in both directions.
Oh, up and down.
Yeah, someday news is coming and you're scared. You are minus 5,000. You want to, yes, it will lock the trade. So there's so many beautiful.
Close the trade which is giving you a loss.
Yeah, so exactly. So
How many accounts you can have?
you can have a total capital of $400,000. No, you can take 50,000, like doesn't 100,000, 200, but total your capital is 400,000. So if you took their biggest account, which is 200,000, you can have two accounts. If so, this is how.
But the target is bigger.
Yeah, you have $20,000.
Which account is popular?
This is the one because this is the best price, 450. Other one is $1,200. One then one up. So
That's 50.
Huh?
50,000.
that's it. That's like 350. So it's you're not getting the best deal out of your money. All right. So this is stage one. They don't have a single stage. Remember this.
Oh.
So you have to pass this.
You have to pass the
So stage one, stage two.
Okay, what
Then
is the stage two?
half of it. Next stage you gotta only make $5,000.
Everything same?
Everything same. Everything same.
What is the
Third stage, you make money daily.
and you receive the
Yes, every 5 days or 10 days.
not sooner than
No, but at least your money, man. Like you don't have to worry.
That's for CFDs. Also.
CFDs. You can do stocks too. You can open up Microsoft. You can open up Nvidia. You can open up Bitcoin.
Okay, now how they pay by Wise or
Crypto. So if you want to keep it completely crypto.
or you can get the crypto too. Or you can take a US.
Yeah, if you like.
How they wire or they give it by
Credit
Wise?
card. Wise is okay. Credit card is okay. Bank account is okay.
Credit card they deposit on you?
No, not credit card. To pay. To
Okay.
buy the account is credit card. You
No,
can
no,
buy
but
with
they
you can buy with a crypto, no problem.
the payout
Correct.
I'm talking.
Payout can come into your Wise,
Okay.
to your crypto, to your PayPal, to your bank account, anything.
Okay, perfect.
They have a good plan. If you demonstrate that you are a great trader, they can hire you.
I remember you was talking
they
about
can-
the company.
yes.
I'm going to introduce this
Yeah,
one.
this is they can hire you now, but you gotta get enough payouts before they hire you.
Okay.
Like Junaid Insight made
Okay.
100,000 from this. He took out real.
They don't
They don't care. They don't care.
no, they don't have a limit. Oh,
No, man, 10 million doesn't matter. They are the number one company in the world. That was before Apex.
Now, one question.
Yes. Why I don't push this? Why this is for advanced trading? Here's the thing. Some people are watching this chart
Yes.
and they're watching gold here. There's a price difference. CFD is trading differently. Our charts are trading differently. Since you're not caring about our charts, I mean, you have your own numbers, you can go straight. But if NASDAQ has a $250 gap, so if NASDAQ is here, this is going to go different, right? So,
So but it's a chart is a chart.
yeah, but numbers are different.
It doesn't
This-
matter
Yes,
because you know the direction.
exactly.
Either you have a highway or just a regular street.
Correct.
Okay,
That's it.
that's it.
That is it.
Okay, how can I open account with them?
Just go on their website and just
FTM.
FTMO, and that's it. Search. Click on the banner on our website, and you're done.
Now, Anyone from any country, they can.
Anyone, any country, they'd have no restriction.
Can I open the account, for example, for my sister?
Correct,
She's in
correct,
Iran.
correct, correct,
I open the account, I deposit the money.
correct, correct, correct.
And the trading platform is their own?
No, C Trader. It's not Ninja. It's they have their own platform.
That's what I was wondering.
Oh, you're working with their platform?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
because otherwise, how will the charts be
Yeah, yeah. So you're watching this chart, but you're trading somewhere else.
Can you?
Yeah, you can watch the chart here and trade on C
In
Trade.
our,
आ जाए मजे भाई आ जाए वो तो वैसे बंद कर
hello. How are you, boss? I don't know. I forgot to take it.
I'm still waiting for your lunch. You see? हो गया सर?
No,
क्या से गुजर? राफिल भाई तो माशाल्लाह.
Majid, he make it 100 with that?
Junaid
Junaid.
Everything good? What?
FTMO
FTM.
Everything good, buddy. How are you?
Good, thank you. Can I take a picture?
yeah of course it's all recorded it's gone
So,
बाद में करते हैं मैं 12 बजे स्ट्रीम बंद कर दूं ना No.
Orange spice. Okay.
good luck है. संडे से करना अभी घर जाके ना ट्रेड करना ठीक है फ्राइडे है ना.
Just getting one thing out of the way.
How's your family?
Good nice all right guys it's 12 o'clock I'm gonna close the stream in about 5 minutes and congratulations if you made money on R1 R2 not R2 didn't go to R2 but there you go something to keep your so I will shut off the stream in about 6 minutes then we can talk
I can bring that black chair here.
हाँ देख लें जिधर भी आपको लगे
वो अवैस का वो पढ़ने है.
असल में ना ये जो सोफा है ना
हटा दूं?
ये कहाँ जा सकता
Yeah, you have to take it off that chair.
है ये डैनियल भाई के रूम में कर दें आई डोंट नो
वो जाएगा वो बाकी सोफे की वजह से बड़ा वो.
नहीं क्योंकि सोफा हो ना तो मैं एक टेबल और लगा दूं असल में सोफा वो सामने आएगा
Sofa, put it in the corner.
नहीं वो जहाँ पर हमारे
Outside.
आउटसाइड यस
कोट हैंगर कहाँ जाएगा?
Coat hanger, put it in the
नहीं अभी तो हमारा कोट हैंगर
No one is else allowed here, right? इसलिए मैंने वो किया.
नहीं वो मसला नहीं है हाँ कोई बात
मेरे साथ ना किया था.
नेक्स्ट टाइम कर लेंगे कोई असल में वो सेटल हो गए थे ना तो एनीवे तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं
My concern was that.
आई नो
Yeah,
Sir,
we can move it over.
या वो हम वहाँ रखते हैं सोफा फ्रंट पे और ये जो हैंगर है इसको यहाँ कर दें हाँ
Yeah, or you can put it here.
यस
सोफा इधर आ गया तो वो ना एंट्रेंस वो हो जाएगी.
नहीं बाहर आराम हाँ
चलो ठीक है.
बैठ
ये भी करते हैं. फारिग हो ना आप पहले.
या मैं स्ट्रीम बंद कर देते so 5 minutes we would do this after the little few changes coming All right, another new record. 30-20s and a divergence, guys. It meant and made a newer high, 96. Well, we have still, it's a breakout trade at 96, 140, 97. It does want to go and test a newer high. That's great.
Good. दूसरा टेबल आप क्या कहते हैं यही कराएंगे?
नहीं मैं कह रहा था कि एक को मैंने चले एक तो अभी रखे ना सिर्फ एक रखते हैं बाकी अगर जगह हुई तो कुछ करेंगे मैंने रखना है दीवार के अगेंस्ट दीवार के अगेंस्ट तो अगर मैंने सिर्फ ये देखना है कि कितने आ जाएंगे
दीवार के अगेंस्ट 2 आ जाएंगे ना
ठीक है बस ठीक है इतना
1 2 तो वो उस तरफ बैठेंगे
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मुझसे थोड़ी सुनना है उन्हें मेरी तो आवाज सुननी है तो अगर कोई यहाँ ट्रूली बैठना चाहता है
ये मेरी जगह
है
ये मेरा स्पॉट है
हाँ वो तो आपका है ना वो तो
I know, that's what I said. He
98.
becoming younger.
Another divergence. Look at the mess up on. Yes, 98. My God.
This year, this one
I know.
belongs to me.
That's what I'm saying. Your energy stay,
I'm just
stay
kidding.
here.
$62 more, and then we have a newer high on ES.
I didn't check it. It's almost 800.
6,800. $67.99, and we are.
Is the time to shorten?
Sorry.
Is the time to make a short?
Yes. Should be.
भाई आप कल आ रहे हो ना? कल क्यों मत?
6799. Interesting.
लेकिन हाँ अभी बताओ वो तो उसमें काम से करें हमको चाहिए पहले ठीक नहीं है मतलब प्रॉपर था वो लगता है ना वो तो बढ़िया बात करते हैं अब ये चलिए तो छोटा है जब आपके दिखाना
I didn't check the gold. Gold dropped.
I didn't see. Honestly. Yes, 22 points. Wow, that is great. Vikram bhai.
FTMO trading firm or proper?
No, go on SuperAreas.com. Just click the banner.
Oh, the banner.
Banner that way. All right, guys. 12 o'clock. I'm gonna shut it down. See you guys tomorrow. Numbers to leave with you. NASDAQ should again maybe top of the R2 240, 200 240 is okay, and ES 6807. Enjoy. Nothing for gold. Nothing for gold. Gold. Wait for the area. Like
What is the
our area, gold is almost getting into 17. The 26, 29 is the gold went up, shot up. So
what I takes at you? Gold will go up.
yeah. So now we are waiting for 29.
I find two close friend of mine. They said they should. We are going to have a meeting tomorrow, and they say you should shut your mouth when we talk. They can easily have a $5 to $10 million.
Yes, exactly.
I said no problem. I'm going to. Oh, FTM. But there is no code in here.
No, there's no code. Nothing
Oh,
like
you
that.
don't need.
67.90. Another high. Yes.
When did they open the account?
Maybe sometime. Go log in and check if you can.
They said login. I did.
Yeah, so you already have an account.
I didn't know that.
So click new FTMO challenge. Maybe a trial account.
Yeah, new FTM challenge. I think you opened for me.
Maybe. All right. Almost very close. 67.99.25. Look at number of contracts. I'm watching the order book live. See you guys.